Good afternoon, everybody. So here we are at KFCfryers.com and doing some recent travels. There was some discussion and some misunderstandings or lack of knowledge about some of the baskets we offer. So here is a 4-head birdcage clamshell that some people call it. Here's the 6-head version. This is the old school, one of the original ways. Works great, but you do have to take the chicken off after you cook it and put it on a pan and a rack. It's called re-racking. So this does require re-racking. But about 15 years ago, we even developed what's called the quarter rack. So these are the quarter rack baskets. This is a 4-head, this is a 6-head shelf. So what's interesting, the shelves come literally come right out of the frame, and you can rack it up. So you can put one head of chicken on original recipe style on the rack and goes right in. No more re-racking, no more having to tong the chicken on and off to someplace else and move it around. The quarter rack baskets, 4s and 6s, available today. You buy a fryer, you have a choice between clamshells or quarter racks. Then just on KFCfryers.com under accessories, you also have a variety of, here's just a nice big open basket for doing a variety of things, potato wedges or anything else you're doing for your local market. Here's what's called a shoestring basket for doing small batch French fries and things like that. With the Clutch-O-Matics, the secret for Clutch-O-Matic is also obviously bone-in chicken, high capacity strips and boneless fillets. So there you go, quarter rack baskets, removable shelves, and here on KFCfryers.com we have all the resources on how to rack properly, how to remove them back and forth. But I just wanted to re-educate everybody. Thanks for watching.